esteemed office of the United Nations, Unrepresented Nation Peoples Organizations, UNPO, and the self-determined country of the whole world. Today, we Nagas, we have our unique history. We have our unique land. However, we have been facing various threats due to the sinister policy of the government of India and the various policies to further divide the Nagas. This policy of the government of India is not acceptable at all by the Naga people because it infringes the legitimate rights of the Nagas. It directly challenges the birthright of the Naga people, for which the office of the All Naga Students Association Manipur, ANSAM, in support of the United Naga Council, Naga Women Union Manipur, ANSAM units, tribe hosts, took up this agitation of office picketing in all the Naga Hill districts of Manipur against the scrapping of the free movement regime and the imposed border fencing along the imaginary Indo-Myanmar border amidst the Naga homeland, without the knowledge, without concerning the stakeholders, the traditional landholders, the Nagas. So, we urge the government of India to respect the legitimate rights of the Naga, to respect the official agreement signed between the two nations, the Naga nation and the government of India, to uphold the spirit of the democracy, to respect the framework agreement by implementing the competencies in letter and spirit. And we would like to convey this message straight to the government of India and the competent authority to directly, to immediately revoke the scrapping of free movement regime and immediately stop this imposed border fencing construction in the Naga homeland. And we would also like to request the government of India, India being a democratic country, you need to uphold the meaning of democracy and understand and respect the legitimate rights of the Naga people. We are Nagas. We live together as one. We will never accept such divisive policies of the government of India. Whatever may, the Nagas will face all the obstacles and challenges ahead. We will live together as one for the people, for the land, for the history. We will march forward without fear and without reproach, and we shall overcome one day in the name of Christ for Nagalim. Kuknalim. Thank you.